Hey everyone, I'm Lakshay. I hope you guys are doing alright. I'm here with another project today, the snake game, which I have created using Pygame module using the Pycharm console. So let me show you the game first. It's quite simple. Let me show you. I'm running it. So the first appears a title screen. It says welcome to the Hungry Python, which is the name I've given to the game, and press space bar to play. So I'm gonna show you the game right now. So it's quite simple, as you can see. It just displays a score and the head of the snake, which is green, and the food, which is red, and a white background. So let's play it. Using the arrow keys I can play this game. It's very simple, similar to the original snake game we used to play in our childhood. So I just have to eat the food. It increases the score by 10 points every time I eat the food, and it increases the length of the snake by 1. And as you can see, and there are 3 ways to die, by the way. The first one is biting the snake's body. The second one is running into the wall, and the third one is an additional way to die. We could remove it if we wanted to by putting in a little more effort, but I guess it makes the game a little bit more harder, so I'm gonna keep it. So I just showed you the first 2 ways. The second one is, let's say if I'm going in the right direction and then press the left arrow key, I'm going to die, as you saw right now. And I've used a random module for the food to appear in the random location every time I eat it. So I eat the food right here and it appears in a random location. So that's quite easy. So that's basically the whole code. So the first, there are all the variables, and after the game loop comment right here, after the game loop comment, the main functioning of the game we can see right here. So that is the main functioning of the game. So yeah, it's really simple, I guess. It's a beginner's project, so I had really fun making it. It's a simple game, but it's really addictive. It's fun to play. I don't know why, but I can't stop playing it. So I'm gonna show you a gameplay of mine. Let's see how much I score. Okay, here I go. So that's 300 points right there. That's great, and I'm gonna keep going, I hope. Well, I died. I bit myself accidentally. See, yeah, the game's really good. I really like it, and it's really fun. It's simple, and the code's gonna be in the description box below. So make sure to check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have fun.